Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Hope you're all well. Well, today is an exciting day because I have my Christmas journal to share with you. It's all finished. I'm so proud of myself. Not like last year when I shared it with you in January. We're on time today, so it's all ready to fill in all the goodies I collect from Christmas, all the lovely memories and the build up from this week and pretty much till the end of the year. So yeah, I'm really happy that I managed to do it on time. Okay, so this is a chunky monkey. I mean, that is really chunky. And as you can see, I have two signatures in here. It's about 80 to 84 pages, front and back. Two signatures, as I said, a gorgeous tassel. The measurements are 6.5 inches, in width. That's about 16.5 centimeters. And then we've got 9 inches this way, which is 23 centimeters. The spine, 3 3/4 inches wide. That's about 9 centimeters, there or thereabouts. We've got the tassel, which we made together. And yeah, lovely fabric covered, hard covered journal. Love this bauble fabric. And I have put everything that we made into this journal. Now the journal has a full playlist. So every single project I did from the very start when I was gathering all the items to the end, you can find it all in the playlist, and the link for that will be in the description box, which is below this video. So where you see the little pointer that says more, click on more. You'll see a little bit of information. Click on more again, and a whole host of information falls down from there if you're not aware of that. All right, so let's have a look. Now, I did use the pouch that I made. These pouches are available in my shop. I did this for Rach and Bella's Christmas collaboration. So this was the kit that I offered for £1. So in here I ended up putting my two little journals, which I shared with you the other week, and I've got both of them in there. That's a project as well, out of paper bags. Love that. Makes great gifts, these do. These pouches you could fill with absolutely anything depending on what the person likes, whether that's journal items, lace, chocolates, biscuits, hot chocolate, anything like that at all. All right, so that's separate, and then everything else that we did is pretty much in this journal. So I am going to take the tassel off. It just clips off with a lobster clip, so I'm going to just put that to the side quickly. We made the cover together. We've done it all. So yeah, anything that I have not shared with you, like sewing into signatures, I have added another journal where I share that with you. So you can go and follow along to that. Let me let Abby in the door and we'll get started with all of this. I'm standing up to do this because that's how chunky it is. We did our very first page, and here are the fabric page tabs that we made together. So I've stuck them in 3 per signature. So that's the first page, and I love the carol singers. You can see I put this as my liner and the gingham. These both come from our background kits for Christmas. And then that's the very first page that we did. So I'm not going to go and open up every single piece, but you can now see how it all sort of comes together. That stencil I used was really useful and I love it. It was a Tim Holtz one that I shared with you. Right, so we've got this lovely bit here. And you can even tuck some more stuff in here. I couldn't possibly fit another thing in here, so might move a few things around, you never know. Right, so we've got the lovely gingerbread house, a page to write on because that's important for Christmas. Love the altered book pages. Everything works well together. One of those little pages we made out of wrapping paper. That one's out of greaseproof, and then that's how I decorated this bit that I shared with you the other week and put a bit of ribbon on there and some stenciling. So that's what I did there. Lots of lace in here, lots of fabric, all Christmas colors. Really pretty. Really love it. Oh, I didn't put anything in that pocket, but that's okay. I've got lots in others and I can just move things around. But I took that bag, I folded it up a little bit, put the decorations on the front, and I've got a pocket there, and I've got a tag here which I haven't finished. So you've got a pocket there and you've got a pocket there. All right, so that's what I've done there. I've put paper clips to hold the floating bits in the journal. So this is where this little one with a see-through window, and you've got a whole pocket in there as well, so you can just pull that out. We've got our little envelopes that we made onto the side of that page. Here I've taken the book pages. Now these are library card pockets that are in the kit, I think the add-on kit, and I've just added those in there with a few bits and pieces left over, and some of that tinsel eyelash trim. Another little page tab, and then this is our first of our center spreads. I love this with the see-through, absolutely love that. Really love that. I've left this page plain. It's one of the few pages that are plain because I just love the lace. Here's the little fabric pockets we made. I've just put these two little bits in the top there. Listen to Abby playing. She's playing with herself. Don't know what she's doing. And one of the little booklets. I do love how this all came together. This is another one of the floating pockets that we made. Really full of, I mean, that could be a beautiful gift for somebody just on its own. So I've just put that there. Love these ones as well. It's a tiny one. I managed to fit the tiny one there and did a bit of stamping on that tea stain page, which I thought looked really nice. I love the birds. Looks like the branches just come across from underneath. So that's really cute. This is what I did with that other side where I shared with you what I was going to do with that tea stain page. So that's that there. And that particular project I did add it in from another journal. Here we did the altered bags. And it's always nice looking back at the things that we did, because some of it you forget, don't you? Another tab here. So that would be almost the end of that signature. I love this lace. We did those pockets as well. Isn't that so pretty? I think this is the first project I did. Right, so that's the end of that signature, full of absolute bliss and eye candy. This is the second one, another one of those pockets that we did. That's this bit. And the pockets are the other side of that tea stain page. So I just put that there. Another little tab. A writing page. And then this is where the gift... Let me just grip the page. The gift notepad for the naughty or nice list. And then all your gift tags that you want to put onto any of the gifts that you want to use. And then I have just... slid that on there. Right, love this one as well, flips out. And then we've got a tuck spot with that little goodie there. Love that page as well. Love the bell. Those were really handy, those. Another altered bag. And here we have another one of these pockets with the tag. This one was fiddly, but I love how it turned out in the end. This is a gift paper, wrapping paper pocket. I did enjoy making those. And then these are lovely as well. This is our center spread, and that was an amazing one to make. Really love how that turned out. All the little baubles here. This is the other blank page. There's one in each signature. Here's this. I've just added these two little goodies that were over, and they matched perfectly for there. And yeah, another little tab. We've got this little pocket. Love that postcard. It's so vintagey. Added some stenciling on there. Lots of stenciling and stamping in here. a little belly band that we made with a snowflake. We've got this, which is an altered, this is a, sorry, not an altered, this is a envelope that we made out of book pages. Then a couple of beautiful pages there. Nice writing page. The other side of that short piece. And I've just added one of the envelopes that were left over there. And I've put these in here, which came from the previous year, and we used them as well. They're also in that envelope and recipe pouch kit. And then again, another little library pocket there, just with two little bits fitted in there perfectly. Again, some stenciling on that page, and then another floating pocket, that one there. And that's our very last page. And that's our journal. How amazing is that? Right, you have. I hope that you guys have had time to finish yours. It was really amazing to do this, and I think this is my third Christmas journal that I've made. Well, I've made others, but with my own kits, and I've got them all. And I love looking at them. So yes, I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas. If you're alone, I'm thinking of you, and I hope that you have somewhere that, or someone that you can connect with on the day. May it be special, and I know it's tough for some people, and I do understand that, and it can't be easy at all, because we miss the people that aren't here anymore, don't we? I mean, even I do. Oh, anyway, on a brighter note, we're going to start our new project. I will be bringing you our last video on Friday with the goodies that you need to gather together from your home and your stash. Parcels are going out. I'm doing another load today, so that'll be that. And yeah, we'll move on to our very next project. So it's time for me to have a little cleanup. I like to clear away after each project. And hope that the week goes well for you. I haven't even done my Christmas grocery shop yet, but luckily I've done the gifts, so that's all right. I will get on to that. Take good care of yourselves, guys, and thank you for all the support you've given me this year. I will see you on Friday for our very last video in the evening, and then I will, so until then, I bid you farewell, and thank you so much. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.